History and culture. Mosaic makers in the Bathhouse courtyard. In the heart of the ancient Roman city of Aquae Sulis, nestled among steamy bathhouses, stood a quiet courtyard. Every Thursday, the mosaic makers gathered here to work their magic, turning the dull stone floors into brilliant works of art. The children from neighboring homes would often peek over the walls, marveling at the intricate patterns and vibrant colors. The sun had just risen over Aquae Sulis, casting a warm glow across the courtyard. The mosaic makers were already hard at work, their nimble hands moving quickly to place each stone carefully in its designated spot. A young girl named Poppy watched from her window above, her eyes wide with wonder. Poppy leaned closer to the window, her eyes following the mosaic maker as he carefully placed a small green stone into the design. She marveled at how the workers created such intricate patterns, each one telling a story of people, animals, and plants. One day, Poppy couldn't resist the urge to learn more about mosaics. She quietly slipped out of her house and made her way to the courtyard. The mosaic makers were surprised but welcomed her with open arms, teaching her their secrets and techniques. Poppy worked tirelessly alongside the mosaic makers, her hands moving as quickly as theirs as she learned their techniques. Together, they created a magnificent mosaic that would be placed in the city's main bathhouse for everyone to admire. When the mosaic was finally complete, the mosaic makers and Poppy were overjoyed. They invited everyone in Aquae Sulis to come and see their beautiful creation. As the people gathered around, they marveled at the intricate patterns and vibrant colors, grateful for this gift from the talented artists. Poppy was showered with praise and gifts from her neighbors, who admired her for her hard work and creativity. She felt proud and happy, knowing that she had helped make something truly special for everyone in Aquae Sulis to enjoy. Poppy spent every spare moment learning more about mosaics from the mosaic makers. She dreamed of one day becoming a master mosaicist, just like them. With determination in her heart, she continued to work tirelessly, creating beautiful works of art alongside her friends. Years passed, and Poppy had become a renowned mosaicist. She continued to create stunning works of art for everyone in Aquae Sulis to admire. And when younger children would gather around her, marveling at her craft, she would teach them the secrets she had learned long ago in the courtyard. Today, the beautiful mosaics created by the mosaic makers still grace the floors and walls of Aquae Sulis. They are a testament to the talent and creativity of these artists, and their legacy lives on as new generations learn about their craft. Poppy is proud to be a part of that legacy, passing down the secrets she learned long ago in the courtyard. As the sun set over Aquae Sulis, the mosaic makers and Poppy gathered around one of their creations. They looked at it with pride, knowing that this was just one of many beautiful works they had created together. Their friendship had grown strong over the years, as they had shared their love for mosaics and taught each other valuable lessons. As the mosaic makers and Poppy stood together in the courtyard, they felt a sense of accomplishment wash over them. They had worked hard to create something truly special for their city, and they were proud of what they had achieved. With hands on each other's shoulders, they looked out at Aquae Sulis with love and pride, knowing that they had left a lasting legacy for future generations to admire.